Today, some unbelievable roasted shallots. So guys, let's do it. These shallots are unbelievable. So start by preheating your oven to 180 degrees. And then you want to take some nice big shallots. You want to peel them and then very simply cut them in half. Pop a frying pan onto the hob, turn the heat up nice and high because we want to start by getting a bit of a caramelization, almost a charring to one side of the shallots. So add a dash of olive oil, lay in the shallots flat side down and literally sear them so we get a beautiful charring to one side. After a couple of minutes, turn the shallots, make sure we've got some great caramelization and then turn them again, and at this point we want to pop them into an oven where we're going to roast them off for about 25 minutes or so, just until the point that they're beautiful, dark and caramelized and insanely sweet and delicious. A little trick, once the shallots are in the oven, give them about 4 to 5 minutes just for the heat to come down a tiny touch, and then you want to add a good few knobs of butter. While the shallots are roasting off to perfection, we want to prepare some chives to garnish. So take your chives and very simply, using a really sharp knife, dice them up pretty much as fine as you can get them. Stick your chives into a bowl, pop them to one side, and then once the shallots are beautiful, dark and golden brown, we're going to finish them off back on the hob. So get them out of the oven, pop them onto the hob on a medium heat, give them a lovely season with some salt and pepper, and give them a little shake and a mixing up in the pan. And do not be afraid of colour with this dish. We want a great bit of charring on the shallots, and we want some really nice deep dark golden brown colour. Colour equals flavour, trust me. Next, add a nice dash of honey, just enough to caramelise on the shallots, and then we want to deglaze with some good quality brandy. So add a splash of the brandy, burn off the alcohol and reduce it down to a syrup, and then to finish we want to add a tiny little dash of some white wine vinegar. So add a touch of the vinegar, give the pan a good shake, make sure they're nice and syrupy, and then we're ready to serve. And you want to finish them with a little sprinkle of some chives to beautifully lift the shallots. You can serve these with so many different dishes, so give them a try and I'll see you next time.